Sonam must be given the strictest punishment. She must be hanged unto death.
था इन दोनों की राज कुशवाहा और सोनम रघुवंशी दोनों राखी एक दूसरे को बांधते थे और राज कुशवाहा मेरे यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय था, काम करता था पिछले 2-3 साल से। हाँ, हत्या हुई है, उसकी सजा मैं खुद बोलूंगा कि दे और मैं खुद जाऊंगा सजा दिलवाने के लिए। बिल्कुल होना चाहिए, उसने हत्या करी है, उसको सजा होना चाहिए। और मैं तो बोलूँ उसको डायरेक्टली कोई भी ऐलान ऐसा नहीं हो कि इतने दिन का है या साल की 50 साल की सजा है, उसको डायरेक्टली फांसी होना चाहिए। मेरे सामने तो नहीं कबूला है जी, मुझे कबूला नहीं गया है क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ 2 मिनट के लिए मिला था। रात को 11 बजे मिला, वो भी मेघालय पुलिस सरकार के हाथ में जा रही थी लड़की, उस समय मिला, तो मेरी उनसे ज्यादा बात नहीं हो पाई थी। राज सिर्फ हमारे यहाँ एक एम्प्लॉय,
अमरीश कहाँ हो?
उसकी भूमिका सिर्फ एम्प्लॉय वाली।
हाथ दिखाओ।
मुझे कोई भी आइडिया नहीं है इस चीजों का। वो परमानेंटली हमेशा 24 घंटे सिर्फ दीदी दीदी बोलता था। ये कि उसके राज की जो घरवाले हैं, उसकी बहन माँ वगैरह, वो भी यही बयान दे रहे हैं शायद। तो दीदी भी बोलता था और दूसरा राखी बांधते थे ये 3 साल से। और मेरे खुद घर में हम दोनों साथ में बैठ के राखी बनवाई है।
तो क्यों मारा राजा को?
कौन
मुझे उसका आइडिया नहीं है।
तो उन्होंने बोला कि मम्मी मैं सोनम से मिला था 3 मिनट के लिए, तो मैंने बोला कि उसको मारा क्यों नहीं तुमने, तो बोले मारने का मौका ही नहीं दिया, पुलिस और मीडिया इतनी सारी थी वहाँ पर।
क्या बात हुई आपकी?
यही बोला कि सोनम को फांसी दिलवाई जाए, गोविंद भैया ने बोल के गए।
आप गोविंद को माफ कर रहे हैं? आपको लगता है कि
वो राजा के लिए दुखी थे, वो जी राजा के लिए दुखी थे, सोनम के लिए दुखी नहीं है वो।
गोविंद की कोई गलती माता जी आपको?
गोविंद की कोई गलती।
आपने गोविंद को
All right, so that is how the case now moves further. Fairly a conclusion of sorts, given the fact that all this while Sonam had not confessed to plotting the murder against her husband, but she finally has. Sonam is the one who plotted that murder of her husband and her family that has severed all ties with her. They are demanding that she must be punished for what she has done. Meanwhile, Raja's family, that is completely devastated, say that justice must be served and she must be given the strictest punishment. She must be hanged unto death. Amritanshi Joshi, who has been tracking every detail of this case and she has been getting us so many voices from the ground, joins us on the broadcast. Amritanshi, literally within the last few hours, what a twist it has been. Given the fact that Sonam has confessed to the murder, her family has said that they will not stay in touch with her anymore and rather they will go after her for what she's done. And Raja's family, of course, saying that she must be punished for what she's done to their son.
Now the whole story is taking dramatic turns. Like just last few hours, the Meghalaya crime branch team, the Shillong police, got confessed by the accused that they were involved in the conspiracy and murder of Raja Raghuvanshis in Shillong. And after that, today Govind, the brother of Sonam Raghuvanshi, went to the family of Raja Raghuvanshi and he literally hugged the mother of Raja Raghuvanshi, Uma Raghuvanshi, and he said that Sonam has murdered because all the evidences which they are showing are 100% true, and that's why they the family of Sonam themselves believe now that Sonam has murdered Raja Raghuvanshi. Also, apart from that, the brother of Sonam Raghuvanshi, Govind, is saying that they also want that Sonam should be punished because she has been involved in the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi. But now, as you can see, this is the house of Sonam. There are no parents of Sonam. Her mother and her father are present inside. Their health is not okay. Their health is deteriorating because they are getting to know that Sonam has murdered Raja Raghuvanshi. And now because Govind has also confirmed that all the evidences are against Sonam. And when he met Sonam in Ghazipur, he only met for just 3 minutes, but Sonam was crying a lot. Also, during when SIT was interrogating Sonam in Shillong, because all the accused will shortly be produced in court, in the Shillong court right now after this. But when Sonam was being interrogated by the SIT, she confessed, she accepted, she broke down that she was the one who planned this murder of her husband. She was the one who told Raj Kushwaha and others to become the part of this plan and to murder Raja Raghuvanshi, and also like all the dramatic turns we have been seeing. But one thing which Sonam's brother is constantly saying, that Sonam was not having an affair with Raj Kushwaha. She was involved in the murder. He has also confirmed that, but he is saying that she was not in affair with Raj Kushwaha, as Raj Kushwaha used to call her as his sister, and that's why his family does not believe that they were having an affair also. But he has confirmed that Sonam has murdered. Now these accused, including Sonam, will be produced in court shortly in Shillong. After that, there will be maybe face-to-face interrogation between the accused and Sonam Raghuvanshi. Also, the crime scene where Raja Raghuvanshi was murdered at an isolated place, the crime scene could be recreated by the Shillong police. Also, there was a CCTV footage which Meghalaya police is confirming that they caught a CCTV footage of after the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, where Sonam and also other accused regrouped far away from the place where Raja Raghuvanshi was murdered, far away from 11 kilometers from that place. Sonam also ate food at a place and they regrouped, but Sonam went from different train. The accused